everyone, Jeff from Alaska here. Update for you on some Bezel work. So anyway, I have been working on an updated design and version of the Bezels. As you know, the traditional Bezels always had the common failure with the little locking tabs breaking off. Whenever you tried to remove the Bezel, if you needed to remove your door panel or work on the switch or whatever you may have. And my original design, for those of you that know and had already purchased some Bezels from me, I had replaced that clip with a post and then used foam tabs on the bottom of those posts to secure and lock the Bezel in place. The only downside is that it usually required taking the door panel off to secure everything up, which was more work than it needed to be, but I wanted to avoid that fatal flaw with the breaking tabs with that version. So after, like I said, lots of testing and work and trial and error, I have this new version here. So just like the rest of the Bezels I've been making, no difference in the external appearance or operation with your window switch snapping in and locking in. The only difference would be these tabs right here. So I'll try to give you a profile view here. But as opposed to the straight posts, these just have a little nubs here that snap over and lock over into your door panel. So, got my little trusty test panel here. Locks in place real well. Now there are minor differences between door panels and things. So I had to do something that was pretty much a good general fit for pretty much all door panels. So if you happen to place an order for Bezels and you find that it's not locking in like it should, or it's not as tight, all you have to do is just take a pair of pliers and just be real gentle. But if you just put a little pressure and bend these out a little bit, like I said, be careful, and you should be able to get it to adjust however you need to get it locked in there like that. Fits real good. Very happy with the design so far. So links to purchase will be in the description, and also in any of the Bezels videos, those links will work as well for ordering these new Bezels. Again, offering them in the original gray, tan, black, or I can do a custom color. So if you're interested in a custom color to match something else or an interior change of your truck, just send me an email and get with me, and I'll have you send me a part of something you want me to match the Bezel to. So when you place your order, send it in, I'll match it up and send it back out to you. Just be patient, obviously. I have not been able to keep an inventory of these things in, and then with my work schedule being gone 2 weeks at a time, I come back and I'm trying to fill orders, and sometimes there'll be delays with your orders, so just be patient. And apologize for any delay if it does happen, but it's just the nature of my time. So anyway, hope you enjoyed the updates. Leave any comments. If you got any questions, feel free to reach out, lbmcdodge@gmail.com. But again, thanks for your support. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.